In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Game Pass in Roblox Please Donate 2023 edition. So please follow me. So the first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to your browser because this is not something that you can do in the game. And here, usually on the roblox.com website, you would be able to click create and you will find yourself at the creator dashboard. However, as you can see, I don't see it here. So what I did instead was I actually Googled Roblox creator and I clicked through onto creator dashboard. Now, once you click onto the creator dashboard, you will find yourself at experiences. So you want to click through onto your experience. And then here on the left-hand side, you want to click on associated items. Here inside of associated items, you click on passes and you click create a pass. So the first thing you want to do is you want to upload an image. After you upload an image, you want to give it a name. And then once you give it a name, you click create pass. Now to give your item a price, you simply want to click on it again. Navigate to sales on the left-hand side. Click item for sale and then you want to give it a price. Please note that you're going to get 70% of the sale price. So if the price is 10 Robux, then you are going to get 7 Robux, right? So I'm going to give it 20 and I'm going to save changes. Now that you have created your Game Pass, what you want to do then is you want to navigate back to Roblox. You want to walk up to one of these unclaimed stands and hold E. Once you do, you will be able to claim it. And as you can see, How to Internet Game Pass is now here. And this is how you create a Game Pass in Roblox Please Donate 2023. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.